I have no idea what she was just saying, but I do know that there are tickets available for our workshop Turning Insights into Action, The Art of Data Communication at Power BI Gebruikersdagen in Utrecht on March 5th. Valerie and I will be going deep on understanding the audience, how to make reports that really matter, and then how to actually sell the transformation. You see, this is not another workshop to teach you how to make pretty reports. No. This workshop is all about creating actionable insights to drive real change. Come join us and we'll show you how. See you in March.